That's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Oh shit.
You okay?
Good, good, good. Hard work, I just, yeah.
Are you
Let's go,
okay?
let's go.
You okay? Here, just go to the side over here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hard work, I guess.
You okay? You
Yeah, I'm good.
Nothing's wrong. I don't see it. It's just minor.
Yeah, but the clutch.
The clutch?
Yeah.
You gotta tighten it up a little bit. Hey, look, what the fuck? Where are you guys?
Oh, okay, okay. Good now.
Is he okay? He's good? Yes, he good.
Coi cái người em có sao?
That's why you wear full.
Có chạy chỗ nào?
That's why you wear, man. The fuck? That's why you buy that shit. What's leaking? What is this?
This is a black food, so let's see. Okay. Sao đủ quá?
No, but I was in the back, and I was about to go, and then like, I think he popped up and like,
Yeah, the first year kind of strong, so.
shit, you should get the video. I'll record later, not now. Okay, gas station real quick.
Yeah.
Missed it. All right. Oh my.
Can I start
Okay,
it up?
just a little bit, okay?
A little bit?
Yeah.